19th of December 2022. Big 6 HK stock market valuations drop after non-gaming investment pledges. All entities linked to the 6 gaming concessionaires listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange have reported drops in stock price valuations on the first stock opening day since the operators pledged almost Macau Patakas $120 billion, $15 billion in mostly non-gaming investment for the next 10 years. The city's 6 incumbent gaming operators, MGM Grand Paradise Limited, Galaxy Casino Company Limited, Venetian Macau Limited, Melco Resorts, Macau Limited, Wynn Resorts, Macau Limited, and SJM Resorts Limited, have been awarded the new 10-year gaming concession licenses, and have committed to invest a total of Macau Patakas $118.8 billion in the development of non-gaming elements. In the next 10-year period starting from January 1, 2023, the gaming operators will be required to carry out incremental additional non-gaming investment in the following year with an amount of around 20% of their initial pledged non-gaming investment. If the Macau SAR's annual gross gaming revenue reaches Macau Patakas $180 billion by 2027. A contract signing press conference was held on Friday, November 16, with a press conference detailing the pledged investment held by each gaming operator the following day, Saturday, November 17. As the HKSE opened at 9:30 a.m. and closed at 4 p.m. on Monday, stock price drops were reported by each concessionaire. Sands China, which committed to the highest non-gaming investment, some Macau Patakas $27.8 billion, reported a 4% drop in stock price to 24 Hong Kong dollars and 90 cents, while Galaxy, which pledged to invest Macau Patakas $27.5 billion, the second largest investment volume, saw a 4.50% drop to 50 Hong Kong dollars and 15 cents per share. Meanwhile, Melco International Development Limited, the parent company of Melco Resorts and Entertainment Limited, which is set to spend Macau Patakas $10.0 billion on non-gaming, reported an 11.1% drop in stock prices to 7 Hong Kong dollars and 92 cents, despite a small uptick in its U.S.-listed entity valuation. Wynn Macau, which will inject Macau Patakas $16.5 billion for expanding international markets and non-gaming investments, reported a 9.2% share price drop to 8 Hong Kong dollars and 28 cents, with MGM China, Macau Patakas $15 billion, finishing the day within 7 Hong Kong dollars and 60 cents share price, a 13.3% drop. SJM, which pledged Macau Patakas $12 billion in the next 10 years, saw its HKSE-listed entity, SJM Holdings, reported an 8.8% stock price drop to some 3 Hong Kong dollars and 90 cents, the lowest valuation among the Big 6. In a recent dispatch, Morgan Stanley warned that despite the removal of some pandemic-related movement restrictions, the local gaming industry market cap was still 42% lower than in December 2019 pre-COVID. The brokerage predicted 2024 could see a full recovery of the market to levels closer to 2019 but noted that many cost elements that could negatively impact the operator's bottom line negatively in the next 10 years. Industry net debt increased by 4 times to $23 billion, and it may only peak by end 2023 at $24 billion even under our base case of travel reopening, starting from 2Q23, the brokerage highlighted. Meanwhile, JP Morgan warned that while these projects are expected to generate additional non-gaming revenue, incremental gaming spending from additional visitors, and longer stay, any returns on investment will likely be much lower than those from existing projects. This news is brought to you by mpluslivetv and Macau News Agency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook.